Let's jump into maintenance alarms. Here we see the maintenance alarms from all our printers. We have mainly two different kind of alarms. The first one is, you see this icon is kind of a small printer with a red dot. That's an alarm reported from the same printer. Let's say here you have a maintenance required or drum cartridge has to be changed. So this is the kind of alarms that we want to take care of. So when we hit into the pencil button here, you will see the alarm here, the alarm text. You can add some comments, add an ERP number or tracking number you want to do, and you can normally it will come with without status, so you will have to update into a done status. If it's something else that it's in process or you want to cancel it, this is just for internal purposes. There is no process on that behind that. The only thing is that the done status and the other status are changing the counter from the dashboard. So when you see unattended alarms, if they are in process, they're still keeping as counted as unattended. Until they are done or others, with the status others are done, the counter will count as an attended alarm. So just make sure you hit one of those in case you want to keep it clear. And in the bottom part you have this history for recent alarms here. Okay, so that would be it for maintenance alarms. There's another kind of alarm that came up here, which is the range icon, which is a ticket that was generated manually by a client. So clients, they also have access to this interface, and they can open a ticket easily. And now with the new feature, they can even do it with a QR code. So that's something, that's a kind of cool feature we have coming up in the next days. So if the client just set here a message, in this case is a test message, of course, but that would be the message that comes up from the ticket. You can add here some comments, add a tracking number, and then you can add kind of an in process or done status. Okay, and here we have some history on that as well. So that's it for the list of alarms. Just one thing extra, which is this with filters. That's the normal build. Without filters, it means that even if it's a paper out, paper jam, things like that will show up. So in some cases, for some clients, you might filter here the client code or the serial number, and you can see all of those alarms for that printer. And there is another filter here, which is only pending status alarms. So if you have them all done, you will see this a clear line here. So that's it for maintenance alarms.